One of my favorite ways to practice mindfulness is to practice something called box breathing. It's super simple. Anybody can do it. Grown-ups, kids, all you need is your breath. So I'll show you what it looks like first, and then we'll practice it together. The reason why it's called box breathing is you can imagine that you're tracing a box while you practice this. So I'll take a big breath in for 4 counts. I'll hold my breath for 4. I'll exhale, let the breath go for 4, and then I'll stay empty for 4. When I'm holding my breath, I'm not like this. And then when I let go, I'm not like, and then I'm not like gasping for air. It becomes nice and smooth because we're practicing it together. So watch, the breath comes in the nose and out the nose. So watch me for a moment. I'll inhale. Exhale. And then I start again, big breath in. So I'm inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1, and stay empty 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start again. Let's try. You'll feel really relaxed and grounded after. You can sit in a chair, on the floor. You can even do this lying down if you want to do this before bed. I'm sitting on a little stool and I'm going to put my hands gently on my lap. You can keep your eyes closed if you feel comfortable, or you'll find one point on the wall or on your screen to look at. Don't let your eyes go all around the room. So let's take a big breath in together to start, and a big breath out. And do that one more time. Big breath in. Relax your shoulders on the big breath out. Right, so you feel what that feels like. And let's practice our box. Here we go. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath at the top for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay empty for 4, 3, 2, 1. Big breath in. 1, 2, 3. Relax your shoulders at the top. Hold your breath in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Let your breath go out your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay empty for 4, 3, 2, 1. Big breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax your lips. Hold your breath at the top. And exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull your belly button towards your back body. Hold that breath. And inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath at the top. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay empty. Visualize tracing that box in your mind. Let's do one more round together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. And take just a gentle, natural breath in and a big breath out. And you can start to rub your hands together and just awaken your body if you started to get really relaxed. And if your eyes are still closed, you can blink them open. And just think about how easy that is to practice box breathing, practice being mindful, paying attention to your body and yourself in the moment, and helping develop your own social and emotional learning. So I hope you enjoyed box breathing. I hope you come back to this technique as often as you'd like. I do this every single day, and it helps me be strong and calm and relaxed.